Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today I am reviewing another wig, so I am super excited about this one. It's going to be so much fun, so go ahead and keep watching if you want to see that. Alright, so here it is. This is off of Amazon. This is, I'm not exactly sure how to say it, AISI hair. And let's see what it looks like. Oh geez. Okay. Here is their little card, so you can see that's the name. I don't know how to say it. Okay, so here it is out of the package. It is so cute. It's a little bob wavy with some bangs. This one's not a lace front, but that's okay because it has the bangs, so it should be easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here this is, you guys. Oh my gosh, this one is actually a lot more fun than I thought it would be. I thought I would look really bad with black hair, but I think this is super fun. The bangs make it really, really fun. This is super fun. Here's the back. That's so fun. So this one does not have lace front, but that's okay because of the bangs. This is still synthetic. Let's see, shoulder length, curly wavy bob. This one is $15.99 on Amazon. Yeah, super, super fun. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.